G'day everybody, it's Michael here from Tech and Tactical, and today we're going to be talking about something more on the sort of tactical sort of side of things, more of an EDC kind of a side, and that is going to be where I'm going to be talking about this, which is a Key Smart Key Organiser. So what I'm hoping to do is turn this bunch of mess, which is horrible in your pocket and sticks out like a banana hanging out your pocket. It's very uncomfortable to walk around with, and get the keys onto this. So if you're into that, keep watching. Okay, so first thing is we're going to have a little bit of an unboxing here of the Key Smart Key Organiser. Now this is it can hold between 2 and 10 keys, and it is expandable. It's quite slim. The design there, and having a look at the back here, you can sort of see roughly what you can do with it. Now I've gone with a black one at the moment because wow, black goes with everything. Come in, have a look at me. I'm wearing pretty much everything black. So let's have a little bit of an unboxing here and have a look at what it entails. So here we have how we have it. The Key Smart Key Organiser. Just get the light here a little bit better. It's made out of aluminium. As you can see, at the moment it comes with a excuse me, comes with obviously a keyring holder, so you can obviously hook a keyring to it. That's kind of the purpose of getting rid of most of the keyrings and having quite a tidy bunch here. It obviously comes with an instruction manual, and also the washers and spacers to space everything out. So let's put that aside. So having a look at this, one thing I determined earlier was that, because I have used another one of these before, is that I live in Australia and a 10-cent piece fits perfectly in here to do up and undo the nut and bolt sort of area of these to work with. So yeah, so that's about it. So basically what I'm going to do is, you obviously can't put keys like your fob, your car fobs, stupid things. I of course keep two, one for my car, one for my wife's car. But you can obviously put keys like this on there. So so yeah, so how about we get into getting this put together. We'll get these off and get these installed onto the Key Smart Key Organiser. Ooh. Actually, before we start, something else I forgot to add was I picked up this, it looks like a key, but it is a USB stick. This is I picked this up off of eBay, I think it was. I think it was about $30 or something like that. It's $35. It's 64 gigabytes. So, and I'm hoping that this will go perfectly. Fit in with this as well. So I'll no longer have to carry around something else on the outside, which is I usually carry around this little 8 gigabyte drive here for bits and bobs. Hopefully I can that becomes redundant now. So as I said before, let's get into it. Okay, so now I've got everything that I want to put on here. One thing that it's what I just makes common sense to me is that if obviously I'm going to have this hanging off of there, which is going to contain my. Well, I'll get rid of that keyring there because it's the whole idea of this. It's going to contain my car keys and stuff like that. But I would think that when you're using this, you would want to use the other end. So not this end here, this end here for the main keys that you use. So like your front door keys. So for example, I have a screen door, and also my main, big front door. So I'm going to put those two keys there, and I guess the less used keys I'll put on the other end here. Another one I use a lot here would be letterbox. So yeah, so alright, so bear with me and let's just get this together. Now let's get this tightened up a bit. Obviously, instead of using a 10-cent piece, you could probably use, I'm sure you could probably use another key maybe. Yeah, you could use another key. Obviously a flathead screwdriver would probably be the ultimate thing, but this is something I had lying around. And we'll just nick up this other end. We want to poke that out. I think you have to cinch it all the way down so it's, yeah, that's on there tight. Keys can still move, so we can still, and same with this side here. Cinch this down. Oh, that's a little bit on the tight side, that one. So what I might do is remove one of those. Of course, to the bottom, son of a bitch. Remove one of these washers. Bang it back together. Sorry if you can't see this very well, it's kind of hard to do and show at the same time. Let's actually put them all the same way. And obviously these little ones are going to wiggle around, I would think, a bit, but I don't think that'll be a problem. That's a bit better. That looks and feels a bit better. Let's get it started. Oh, that's better. So that's up tight. I'm sure these will loosen off as they wear a bit, everything wears in a little bit. What do we got here? So we can, oh yeah, we can push some of these together. Oh yeah, righto. Alright, there we go, that's together. Just make sure everything's, yeah, it's definitely tight, definitely tight. Definitely tight, we don't need these, so this one here I can put on another keyring that sits in my bag with all my other things I do not use on a daily basis. My non-everyday carry. So you can obviously space this out for even more keys and that, so gives you a lot of extra bits and bobs. Put this one aside, put that aside. So there we go. So obviously flick these out, unlock front doors, you know, like that. My mailbox key. Everyone has a mailbox these days. Most people still do, although it's kind of becoming a little redundant. So there we go. There's the Key Smart Key Organiser. Now all we need left to do is sort out some of this sort of stuff. I don't need that anymore. So obviously on here I want to keep my Gerber shard, which comes in quite handy. My Olight, what is it? I1R EOS, very good little torch to carry with you. So that can pop on there. So now so there we go. And what I might actually do is, because a lot of the time I don't really want to keep these two sets of keys together, but when I do, that there, that's going to fit in your pocket quite nicely, you know. I mean, it's so much better than what it was before, so much better. Everything's organised, you can see it in there. You can, you know, pop the keys out as you need to, be bits and bobs. You know, if I ever need to, I can. Obviously everything's a little bit stiff at the moment. I'm sure it'll all soften up. Those ever need to use that USB stick, you know, I'll be able to pop that in and use that, which I think is a good pickup. I kind of highly recommend this. And then it all folds away quite neat and tidily. So there we go. And then obviously if I wanted to keep these two together, it's the case of bang 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 bang, and that would be a lot nicer in my pocket, or neater and tidier in your bag. whatever you do. Even if you ladies have them, you can get these in multiple colours. You can get red, I know of. I'm not sure what other colours there are, but I'm sure there are plenty of other colours around there. So yeah, there we go. The Key Smart Key Organiser. Now, this is a basic one. You can get other variants. So there we go. Everything made simple. Alright, like I said, there we go. Everything's quite simple. We're going to have all the keys I need in one little package. The Key Smart Key Organiser, and a couple other tiny bits and bobs that I use every now and again. And yeah, in one little organiser. Very happy. So there you go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, please. That would be great. And if you got any comments, leave them down below. Try to leave nice comments. You know, constructive criticism is nice, but mean comments, well, that's just me. You know, no one's perfect. Neither am I, contrary to popular belief. But yeah, so there you go. If you like it, like and subscribe, and until next time, take it easy.